Hi kids. I'm gonna call people kids because I like saying that. I don't know why. Even though I'm the kid. But here, we just watched it to go to the car meet. I'm running 1 hour late. It looks cleanish. Clean enough. It's a 40-minute drive to the car meet that I got invited to. So hopefully I make it to like to a little spot. A good little spot. So we made it, and look at this one. A 32. I always wanted one, but like it's a little bit too much for me. Maybe soon. And there's a Viper next to it. I'll show you the Viper. Oh. Bro, the wing is so nice on that Viper. And then the engine. I think it's stock. Never mind, it's not stock. Is it? I don't think it is. It might be. Another Viper, a blue one though, 2010. I'm gonna record this one for my buddy Anthony. He likes these. Nah, he loves these. And then there's another Z, the new Z. Always wanted one. Hold on. I wanted one since they came out. This was gonna be my first car, but I decided to get the whole Z. My car is all the way hidden somewhere. Look, hold on. It's in the corner somewhere here. Oh, this is a nice Mustang. Is that Mach 1? Ain't no way. Hold on. Is it? Let me check the back. It is. I don't know if it is. I don't know. I don't really know about Mustangs. Maybe it is. I don't know. And then there's my beater car. Or my beater car. Next to a little Honda. This is my second meet. Well, no, that's the first meet, but the second meet I've gone to with my car. Yeah, another Z. I think I saw a Sylvia around here. This one's kind of ugly. I'm like, the color's alright though. Oh, my friend's car. This is how I'm trying to do. I think this is 240 or 180. One of the two. Oh, yeah, 240. I really like the rear end of these cars. This one's probably the slowest car, but no. Look what the engine has. It's fully modern, modified. I think it's a 2J. I don't know, 1J, 2J. Snail. I didn't even see this RX-7. I walked right past it because I was distracted by a Z. Bruh. That's how you can tell these are my favorite cars. Little Dorito. He's probably way faster than me. For sure way faster. I'm probably the slowest one here. Oh wait. I thought I'd be on the left side of the exhaust. It's really rare for the right side. Let's see. 5.0 GT and then Camaro. The Supra though. It has carbon fiber fenders. And the steering wheel too is really nice. I want one like that for my car. Like that. Stitch car. I like the headlight. Not the headlight, but you know the weird lights. This is my second time seeing them.
Ese no puedo subir en muchos lados. Tengo que dar vueltas.
I thought the wheel was skipped though last time I saw him. The wings, damn.
Llegaste muy pronto.
Man fucking car.
Se rifó muy pronto. Mira, la cuenta que te digo.
They're rapping right now something. I don't know what it is though. Oh, another Viper. There's a Porsche over there. It's one of my favorite Porsches. 911 or 9, I don't really know about Porsches.
You got 3
Most of the cars. My favorite ones is this one, that one, the Supra over there. Which one? The Viper. Oh, there's another. It's a little more. I'm sure it's from my car, but you can't really see what's over there. Behind the GCR, the white GCR. You can't even see it. Yeah, 240. I keep forgetting. Is that a Type R? I don't know. I can't really tell. And then the only scat pack here. This is a shop in this one. A GTR. I was in that shop right there just looking. Then I really like the wheels. Most of the back looks really nice. Maybe he's out. Pretty sure he's out. There's like a thumbnail right there. It should be. I'm gonna make it my thumbnail. Wait, no, hold on. This is better. Around right there. That's a good thumbnail, right? Fix. There we go. Yeah, that should be a good thumbnail. There we go. Sleeper. He's on bags too. Everybody see me now. I'm gonna record the one. It says it's 2 to 1, but I don't know if it is. my favorite Supras. I feel like the yellow one's way better. For sure, it pops way more. This front end from this car looks really nice. 33, I think, or 32, I don't know. And the fat, bro, the dream right there. The mom, dad, the kid in the back. Oh my god.
Yeah, he can be a lot. Yeah, my favorite dog. So yeah.
Oh, and the dog. That's the dog. Actually, let me check out the front. It looks like it has a carbon fiber hood. What the fuck? I didn't even notice it was turbo. Oh, is this one? I like the color of it. Not bad. Engine's way cleaner than mine. Mine just has dust. Missing parts too. Bolts and everything. He's actually taking pictures of my car. Lining. He's in Japan. I've never seen him here actually. Oh, did you see us leaving? Is he? No, he's not. Is he? Oh, never mind. He's not. Anyway, I'm gonna take a picture of my cars. My Z. The other cars right here. All those. These three are Z's. The military gray, the black one, and the gray one. Let's see if I can take a good picture of it. Oh fuck! I don't think I can. Can I? No, you can't even see my wheels. There you go. Good enough. I've seen that on Instagram. My little kid Z. I'm gonna leave because I'm already hungry, bro. I want some McDonald's or something. This could have been a thumbnail too. Maybe for another video. I'm gonna be back on the 18th because there's another meet. Or the JDM meet. Even though mine's not JDM. It's fine though. I'm still gonna come. Alright. I'm gonna go get some food. A ver si no se puede. No voy a pisar tanto, nada más poquito. Para que se escuche el sonido. The closest one was McDonald's, so I came to McDonald's. And it's also cheaper, because I'm broke. So I'm just gonna have me. I parked in the corner like always, away from people. Because people always hit my car because they can't see it. It's not even small. They're just hitting. This order took like 1 minute. I came here and they just gave it out in 1 minute. My car's right there. Right in the corner, like always. How much is he here instead of letting it get cold? I'm like 40 minutes away from home. I just finished eating. I took like an hour. I took my time eating at McDonald's. I think I'm gonna just go home and that's it, for today. Hopefully the next vlog is good, better than this one.